more users starts to work with layers. So with this exercise, I'm going to introduce to you a command that we call remap of layers. Now, if you look in this drawing, the layer setup here on the left hand side, you will see that the layer names, there's a lot of layers as well as long layer names. If you work with layers, then you probably make use of a template. So each and every time you're getting drawing from this client, the layer structure is exactly the same. So what we're going to do is we're going to remap the layers so that the new layer names show. So I'm first going to show you on a blank drawing, and then we're going to come back to this sample. So if I look at my current drawing, as you can see, I've got only a few, but I'm going to rename the first two. So the command is under manage. We go down to remap layers, and then you'll see there's an option that says create layer remapping file. So we're going to create this INI file. I'm going to call it new test. I'm going to say save, and now it will open in a notepad, as you can see, a text file. Now this is your current drawing layers that I just showed you. So Caddie shows you the old name, and now it asks you what will be the new name. So I'm just going to call this one new 1, and on layer number 2 I'm going to say new 2, and on layer 3 new 3. And now I'm going to save this file. File save. I'm going to close this text file, and now I would like to apply it, because at the moment I've just looked at the text file and I've updated it. So now we're going to go to manage again, and now you'll see there's an option that says apply layer remapping file. I'm going to click on the command. I'm going to indicate the text file that we've created. I'm going to say open. It applies it. So if I now going to look at my drop down, now you will see that there's a new layer names. So every time when you're getting a drawing or from a client that's using a template with the same layer structure, you can just run this command that says manage remap layer, apply the layer remapping, because it looks for the existing layer and it gives it a new name. So let's apply to the sample. So just to show to you, as you can see, nothing I've changed. It's got still the same structure I showed you, but I've already created a new INI file that we're going to apply to this drawing. So we go to manage, we go down to remap layers, and I'm going to say apply layer remapping file. This is the file we've updated. I'm going to say open. It runs through the commands, and if you now want to look at the drop down, now you can see all the layers has got now new smaller layer names.